Free Palestine, a Philoetic ode to freedom and unity. In the heart of an ancient world, in human history, where tales of hope and despair form a symphony, there lies a land ancient and divine, yearning for peace, crying, "Free Palestine." The olive trees whisper tales of old, of brave hearts and stories untold. Yet amidst the beauty, there's a lingering pain, a plea for freedom, again and again. Borders and walls may try to confine, but the spirit of Palestine will always shine. Every child, woman, and man deserves to live free, the key foundation of human rights, justice, and liberty. In the land they call home, they constantly live in dread, but dreams of freedom are constantly fed. Yet amidst the alleys of history's maze, Palestinians seek a future that is bright and ablaze. The world watches, often in silent dismay, as the rights of the Palestinians are violated day after day. The yearning for freedom is like the eternal flame. Let us stand for justice, unity, and love in humanity's name. To the oppressors, heed this plea: the earth belongs to all, equally and freely. No nation, no power can claim the divine right to shackle another in an endless fight, for in unity, love, and mutual respect lies the path to world peace we all expect. Palestine's heart beats strong and loud, echoing its plea to the gathered crowd. Let us rise together like a storm of sand, for justice, freedom, and the right to one's land. As long as the night falls, the sun rises, and the rivers flow to the sea, the entire world should restlessly advocate for Palestine to be free.
This video is brought to you by Philoetic, inspired, created and written by Ricardo Derose.